All right, so welcome back to Kind of Cooking. I'm gonna show you guys how to bring dumplings to the next level. So let's get started. We're gonna turn on our stove. We're gonna put it to about a medium. Okay, while that gets warmed up, we're gonna add some oil. Somewhere around there is fine, that's all I have anyway. And then, so while it's warming up, we're gonna put our pot stickers in. Today we're using a frozen kind. You can use your fresh kind, whatever you have on hand. We're gonna line them up nicely. Once that's nicely placed, we're going to show you this little hack. We're going to put a tablespoon of cornstarch. And this is going to crisp up the bottom really nice, and then it's also going to give it a nice little web. Add half a cup of water. Okay, we're going to pour that in. So once that's in, we cover it. Once you put the cover on, you're going to leave it. The water will evaporate and you're going to hear it go from a bubbling noise to a little frying noise. So while this is boiling away, we're going to do a really quick sauce. It's going to be 2 teaspoons of black vinegar, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, half teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil. Give this a little stir. So give that a little taste. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of hot sauce, stir that in, and this is perfect for my dumpling sauce. So you can hear that it changed from boiling to sizzling. At this point, we're going to remove the lid, allow the rest of the water to evaporate and to brown the crust. And you can see that it's already getting brown, so just watch it carefully. You don't want it to burn. I forgot to mention, you should use a non-stick pan for this. That's essential, otherwise you're gonna have no bottom dumplings. So if you see that there's sections that are not browning as much, then just move it over there for a second. But I think we're pretty good here. I'm gonna take a rubber spatula and we're going to just loosen it a little bit. So we're gonna take a plate, we're gonna put it on top and be really careful here. If you're scared, you can just pick it up one at a time, but I wanna show you the whole thing. So we're gonna put a plate on top. Okay, and then on 3, we're gonna flip it. 1, 2.
Lower, 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 lower.
All right, so that's it, guys. So you have it. You have like the little webs here, like it's nice and crispy. Like you can hear that. Like, all right, let's give it a try. Just gonna dig in here. Get a little dip. You guys can hear that crunch. So if you guys have any suggestions on what tips and tricks you guys would like to see, leave in the comments section below. Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell.